Now see, we will find the value of root 2. Till now what we have learned, how much question it is given in the book, they are given the perfect square. But how we will find which is not a perfect square? Like root 2, 2 is not a perfect square, 3 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there, 10 is there, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How we will find these numbers? So we are having the long division method only, and this root 2, remember this root 2 is not in your syllabus, so you will find the root 2 and root 3 till the 3 decimal places. So now understood how we are finding which is not a perfect square, how we are finding the square root with the long division method. So here we will write the 2, and here after 2 no number is there, so what will come? Decimal. Till where we have to find 3 decimals, so we will make the pair of 3 zeros. You have to find till the 3 decimal places. So after decimal the 3 digits should come. So what we will do, we will write the pair, we have to write the pair of zeros. How many pair? 3 pair we will write, and here 2 is single, so that will be the remain the same. Now here 2 is there, so we know that if we are taking the 2, we have to multiply with the 2, and 2 into 2 is how much? 4. So we cannot take the 2, so what we will take? We will take the 1 only, and 1 into 1 is how much? 2. So it will cancel, sorry, 1 into 1 is how much? 1. So what will come? 1 only. Here decimal is there, so here also decimal will come. Then we will write the next pair. Now it is how much? 100, and here we will add this 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. So now 2, at the back side of 2 we will write one number, but what that number will come now we don't know, which is the perfect square. There we have seen, and the 2 step till now the answer is key, but here now on the second step answer will not come, it will come on the last one. Because why it will not come the answer? Because this root 2, when we will find the square root, after decimal infinite number will come. We don't know how many number will come in the long division method when we will find the root 2, but it can come, it will go continuously, infinitely, it will be never ending. So remember here what we will do, we are finding only the 3 decimal. After that what the remainder will remain, we will leave that much only. Now at the back side of 2 we will write one number. If we have taken the 5, so 25 into 5 is how much? 125. It is coming greater, so we cannot take 5. We have taken 4, 24 into 4, 96. So we will take the 4. What we have taken? We have taken the 4. What will come? 96. Here we will subtract. What will come? 4. Then we will write the next pair. How much? 00. Now here we will add 24 plus 4 is how much? 28. Or you can do the double. 14 double is how much? 28. And remember here decimal will not come, decimal will come here only. Now at the back side of 28 we will write one number, but you see if we are writing the 2 only, so with the 2 only we have to multiply. So what it will come? 4, 6, 564. That is greater, so we cannot take the 2. If we cannot take the 2, then what we will take? 1. So 1 we are taking. Here also we will write a 1. And with 1 only we will multiply. So what will come? 281. Now we will subtract. So 9, 1, 1. So it is came 9, 1, 1. Then we will write the next pair. So we have written the next pair. Here what we will do? We will add this one. So 2, 8, 2. Now at the back side of 282 we will write one number. So we are writing the 5. So we have to multiply with 5. 25, 2, 10, 12, carry 1, 41, carry 4, 10, 14. So see, it is coming what? That is 11,000. This is coming 14,000. So we cannot take the 5. So what we will do? We will take the other number. What we are taking now? 4. So 4 we have taken. 16, carry 1, 8, 9, 32, 3, 8, 11. Now you see 11,296 and 11,900. It is a small number, So we will take here 4, here 4 will come, and when we have multiplied, how much is coming? 1, 1, 2, 9, 6. We will subtract. So 4, 0, 6. So this came our answer. So they have told that we have to find till the 3 decimal. If they are saying no, find the 5 decimals, again we will make here more pair 0, 0, then we will write here 0. If we want to continue this, what we can do? We can increase our pair how much you want. So then what will happen? You will write here pair 0, 0. Here what you will do? You will add this one. So 2, 8, 2, 8. Now at the back side of 2, 8, 2, 8, we will write one number, and with that we will multiply here. So but it is not no need to continue. You have to find till 3 decimal only. So we have find out the 3 decimal. If you want to continue, you can continue how much you want to. It will go infinitely. So this is the root 2. The value of root 2 is how much? 1.414 approx. Because we don't know what the exact value will come. Till now nobody has found out what the exact value will come. So that's why we are writing the approx. So this is the value of root 2. Like this we are finding the long division method. So remember this method. If you know this method, you can find the square root of any number. It is a perfect square or it is not a perfect square.